messing with you. Alright. This is just a quick video. I know I'm making a big deal out of this, but I'm telling you, all you people who have had it, if you own one of these things, or it's a Phantom, whatever it is you own, you gotta get something to absorb the shock when this shit lands. Alright? So, what I'll do is, I'm using a Devo F7, big deal, and I'm just gonna show you, I'll see if I can give you a hard landing, but I ain't gonna do that because it's expensive, but I'll give you a decent idea. Grass, and whatever that is, tar, it's a hard surface, okay? So I hope you guys can see it, so you can get an idea. It's worth it. Blow the cash, don't get tight. All right, here we go. Wonder why it does that, right? Why can't it just go beep, beep? I don't know. Can you guys see it? Alright, we'll see what happens. Remember, I'm a rookie. Put your seatbelts on. A crash might be coming soon. Saw that, right? I hope it's alive. Alright, so we'll do the same. They're expensive. Alright, we'll do the same thing on the that hard surface, okay? Otherwise, there'll be a fourth video. Walkera QRX350 Pro number 4. Hope not. Oh yeah. Alright. Next will be the LEDs.